soup. Ingredients are old cucumber, carrot, corn, and dried squid. It's located at middle and is transparent. Cut into small pieces. Cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, season with chicken powder, salt, and fish sauce. Salt to adjust at taste. Look at the clear soup. This soup is not oily at all. Done. Easy soup recipe. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in next video.